Alright guys, we got a Toyota RAV4 right here in the garage. We got the headlight out. Pretty easy to take them out here. I got a video, take out this headlight, take out this bumper, so check that video out. I'll put the link down below. So on this video, we're gonna repair this headlight right here. There's a damaged part in here. This is the kit. Alright, so this headlight right here, this is the driver's side. Okay, you see how there's a mounting tabs here, here, and here. There's 3 mounting tabs. We're gonna repair this up. So I purchased a kit already. This is for the driver's side. Here's the part number. This is the one on the driver's side. In the middle, here's the part number. Comes with 2 screws. So you can see this is missing right here, just like this one. This one is repaired already. So basically this kit, it goes in over like this, and you see this hole right here. This is where the screw goes in, right there. So just go on top like that. It's pretty nice, it's pretty neat. It looks clean, it looks fresh. It goes like that, and then the other one goes over right here. See this 2 hole right here? It goes over on top with this 2 hole right there. It goes like this. Alright, so let's screw this thing down and I'm gonna show you the result. Alright, first, before we put that bracket in here, we're gonna clean this up. Let's take out this extra plastic here. Make sure you get a good sharp knife, okay? Just gonna cut this off. We don't want this extra stuff. I'm just gonna use the side cutter here. Cut it off. Alright guys, so it's nice and clean now. Just trying to clean the best you can. And then let's put this bracket next. Alright, next one is the one on the corner here, up on the top. Let's put this bracket in here. Put the screw in. And then second screw back in here. Looks good. Solid. Alright, let's give this a try. Let's install it on the vehicle. Line up the hole. And line up the hole right here. Alright, so the screw up on the top here is next. You can see that nice and fit. And then the last one is right here. Wow. That's pretty good. I like this kit. Because without this bracket kit right here, this headlight is garbage. It's gonna be loose, it's gonna be moving. So you can see there, it's pretty solid. Just need to tighten up all those 3 bolts and then 1 right here. That's it. Now off camera, I'm gonna put the wire back into the connector down here, put all this back together, and then send it to the shop for the final inspection. That's it guys, this is how you install this bracket repair kit for your headlight. Instead of buying a brand new one that's like 400 to 600 bucks from the dealer, put a repair kit and then you could save yourself money. Thumbs up, let's go.